What if you had to destroy a billion-dollar fortress, a moving fortress at sea, with a weapon you built in a garage?
What if your only tool was plywood? At 02:23 in the morning, 3 tiny, wooden drones skim the dark, cold waves of the Black Sea.
They fly at 180 kilometers per hour, just 3 meters above the water.
Their target? A massive Russian spy ship, sitting 15 miles off the coast. This isn't just any ship. It's an electronic fortress.
Vacuum cleaner for signals, bristling with antennas. Its R381T arrays are so sensitive they can hear whispers from hundreds of miles away.
For 6 weeks, it has been sitting there, listening,
logging every Ukrainian operation.
Building a pattern.
It's just days away from gathering enough intelligence to predict and cripple Ukraine's entire naval drone war.
The mission isn't just an attack, it's an impossible heist.
And the clock is ticking.
The first test comes just 20 minutes after launch.
A shadow passes overhead.
A Russian four-post drone, a high-tech hunter-killer, appears on the horizon, patrolling its standard racetrack pattern.
A Canadian-made thermal camera is a technological marvel, so sensitive it can spot a 2-degree temperature change from 5 kilometers away.
In the cold night, the drone's small gasoline engines should glow like beacons,